This is my favorite seasoning for roasts. We're just gonna go ahead and liberally coat this. Get it rubbed in, cracks, crevices. Don't worry about all that salt on there because some of it's gonna cook out and that's also gonna be our flavoring. Get this sucker all nice and seasoned on all your sides. There we go. Now I left this roast out on the counter for about 2 hours so it would come to temperature, so when we cook it, it doesn't seize up and it'll help make more of a tender roast. So we've got our oil heated up in our Dutch oven. We're going to go ahead and sear this. We're on about medium, high, medium. We just want to get it browned on both sides. So we're going to go ahead. I don't have any fresh potatoes. I thought I did, but I don't. But we do have these in our pantry, so we're going to go ahead and get these out. We're going to go ahead and use these. We're going to do 2 cans of them. We're going to do garlic from our garden, an onion, and some carrots, because that's what we have. We don't have any celery, so we're going to go ahead and get this onion chopped. Doesn't have to be perfect. Get those roughly chopped up like that. This is going to be flavored in our pot. And onions are a natural tenderizer. So these are going to help season our roast, and they're going to help make our roast nice and tender. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and get these in the pot. So we're going to go ahead and get these prepped up for the pot. Let's take these ugly ends off. We don't want that in our roast. Now these are going to go into the oven for a longer cook time, so we don't want these small. We want these to stay large so that they don't cook down into nothing. My husband likes a lot of carrots, so we're going to go ahead and make that one of our main vegetables here. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and open up our cans of potatoes. Get those drained. Open these up. Maybe. Like that. Bob's your uncle. Let's check out what that was. See any uglies? Just pull that out of there. Okay, let's give these onions a little bit of a stir. See how caramelized they're getting? That's just flavor. That's a good flavor. I wish you could smell this. It smells really good. Alright. Those are cooking down a little bit. Now if I had some mushrooms, I'd add some mushrooms. If I had some fresh celery, I'd add some fresh celery. But we don't. So we're going to go ahead and add those potatoes in there. We're going to put in a bunch of these carrots. Just like that. We're going to get this head of garlic prepped and cut that bottom off of there, the root. Now you don't have to peel this. You can put it in just like it is, but we like to eat these cloves as they're roasting. We're going to go ahead and get these ends split off of there. Peel that paper off. Just like that. Big, gorgeous cloves. So we're going to add our cloves of garlic. We're going to add a little bit of better than bouillon, a few shakes of the Worcestershire. I have some dried thyme and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Okay, so let's get these into the pot. So into our pot, we're going to add our garlic cloves. Few shakes of black pepper, just a little extra flavor. You like lots, you do what you like. If you don't like pepper, don't add it in there. I'm going to add some dried thyme. That's about a teaspoon. I like lots of flavor, so we're going to add about a teaspoon and a half into the pot. It goes. Take our Worcestershire. We're just going to shake it in there, probably about, I don't know, about a tablespoon, maybe two, depending on your flavor preference. Then we're going to add our better than bouillon beef. We are going to put a big fat heaping spoonful in there. Into that, we're going to add some hot water. We're going to add a little bit of our boiling hot water. And that's going to go ahead and melt down in there. It's going to give this all just a beautiful flavor. This is hot, so make sure you use your heating pad. And we're going to put the lid on that, and we're going to put it in the oven at 350. This is our beautiful pot roast we have here. We'll get another light on here. And you can see the cloves of garlic in there and the onion. This cooked on 350, about close to 3 hours. I put in here about a cup and a half of water. We've got enough liquid in there in the bottom, if you can see that, to make gravy, if you want to make gravy with that. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this plated up for supper. And you can see that's nice and tender. Those potatoes ended up being really great. Look how they roasted up so nicely. And the carrots. Oh, this smells so good. I wish you could smell this. I like lots of potatoes. Get a nice chunk of garlic clove in there. And then Another one here going. Oh, this smells good. I cannot wait to eat this. Some good carrots in here. All that good juicy sauce. Oh, my mouth is watering. All those onions, see how those onions caramelize down? Oh yeah, just flavor right there. All right, and our bread here. And there you have it. There is Sunday dinner.